Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. And I am coming at you with another foundation tinted moisturizer. I don't even know what this category is, but this is the new from YSL, and it basically is the Bare Look tint. So I will consider this a skin tint. And I'm going to be giving you guys my first impressions, my review, my thoughts, my demo, everything that has to do with this new product from YSL. It's called The New. So if you're interested in seeing what my thoughts are and how I was able to apply this product and came out with this amazing looking skin, then let's get into today's video. Before we jump into the video, let's go ahead and take care of some housekeeping. If you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you are subscribed, then make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, so I am so excited to share with you my thoughts, my demo of this product from YSL. So let's jump into today's video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this new tint foundation skincare makeup hybrid from YSL, and it's called New. It's a Bare Look tint, and it's basically where skincare meets makeup, and it's like the hybrid. This is the box. It just says that, and I did the shade 17, if you can see. And then I also got the primer because I just like a nice primer, and this is the Glow in Balm. And again, same thing, skincare makeup hybrid. So yeah, we're gonna be testing that out today. I'm probably just really gonna be using like a full face of like YSL goodies. I'm about to go in with their lip perfector. And this is like a balm. I'm going to be using the Touche Éclat, and I'm also going to be using the all-nighter, what's it called? All Hours concealer. I'm going to use that as my concealer today, but now I'm just going in with this lip balm. I'll put that on, give some hydration to my lip. So this tint is supposed to give you like full medium coverage. Just consider it like a tinted moisturizer. So I'm gonna go in with the primer first, and this is like the glow primer. So it's gonna give me some hydration. Oh, and it smells amazing. This you could actually wear on its own, or you can wear it under makeup. So just perfect. Like, look at my skin now. Nice. I don't know where the glow is, but let them tell it. There's some glow. I don't know. You kind of see a little glow when the light hits, right? Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm going to, I got that down, moving some stuff out the way. I'm going to use my per the usual Morphe brush. Putting this, so it has like that little squeezy tube, and this contains 1 fluid ounce of product. So that's pretty much all you need. This doesn't have any SPF, so that is pretty interesting. So I just put a little bit right here, and I don't know, it was a guess on this color because the colors were weird. I went inside, I looked at it online. I tried to do the color thing on Sephora's website, but it was like, sorry, there's no match. So then I just started looking at the little swatches, and then I was like, okay, this is the color that I need based off of the swatches. And then when I went into Sephora, I basically like swatched them in the store. Actually, I did a BOPA, so I just bought it online and then I picked it up in the store. And this particular foundation or tint, whatever it's called, it's exclusive to Sephora, so you won't find it at any other retailer. Y'all, this is just like skin. I'm looking and coverage is minimal. Let me see if I could get more coverage like right in here by patting it in. But I went in on this side and it was like sheer. Look at that. Ooh. So I guess that's kind of built up, I guess. So it is buildable, but I still feel like it's very more sheer to medium. Like, I don't feel like you're gonna get full. But I'm just patting it in. So yeah, I say definitely sheer coverage. Look at that. And it's like skin. So this is perfect for like that no makeup look. Like, I feel like the concealer is definitely gonna give me more coverage. Like adding the concealer on top will totally give me a little more coverage if I needed more coverage. Yeah, it's basically just, I would consider it like your skin but better. Ooh, nice. And I have not gone in on my forehead yet. Just really focusing on here. Ooh. Ooh. All right. All right. I'm gonna go take it on the forehead now. So doing another little squeeze on my handy dandy. And I don't know if I mentioned the color. This color is 17. And I have like freshly washed hair, so I'm trying not to go too crazy in my hairline. I really should have put down my hairband, which, okay, so I am going in with the All Hours concealer, and this is in the shade 6. So very lightweight. Definitely lightweight. And I have, like I said, the Touche coat. And I have that one in shade 5 that I'm gonna use to brighten up the under eye. I also have number 7, and number 7 is mainly like, if I natural, I can kind of use that as more natural kind of a concealer. All right, so I got my handy dandy stamp sponge, and we're gonna blend that out. So like I said, I feel like the concealer, if I was to use 7, it would literally just kind of add on extra coverage, because 7 is like my shade. It's like my skin tone color with a little highlight. Not much, just a little dab. So going in with the concealer, and you can see this is like very natural, y'all. Nothing special, just natural. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on blending, and I already did the bronzer. I did the sculpting stick by Makeup by Mario. I used that already, and I'm just going in with the concealer. I just took it on my lid, and I might go in with the Touche Éclat just to kind of brighten up. Maybe not, maybe I'll just keep it natural. That means like I feel like I need to do a natural eye, because this is like that no makeup look, right? Let's see. Well, I like it. This concealer is nice. My first time using the All Hours concealer. And that's the concealer blended out. I'm just gonna kind of go in. This is the Radiant concealer, and I can just add a little color here. This is the shade number 5, because I did use 6, so this is gonna give me a little bit more lightness. And I'm just gonna let that dry a little bit more to get a little bit more color. Not color, a little bit more coverage. Where's the cover? Okay, I got the cover right here. Okay, so I have everything blended out. I have set my under eyes. I am just going to do something quick on my eyes, put on some bronzer, blush, lipstick, and then come back so you guys can see the finished look. And so far, I like the way that this tint is looking on my skin. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I would probably say it's definitely more sheer to medium coverage, and it really just perfects the skin, evens out the skin without looking done. You know what I'm saying? So it's definitely skincare meets makeup for sure. All right, so let me go ahead and finish up, and then I'll be back to let you guys know what my final thoughts are on this product. All right, so I am all done, finished off my eyes, and put on some blush, bronzer, and lip. And now I'm here to show you what this product is looking like. And y'all, this literally looks like my skin, but better. Not even gonna lie. I definitely think that this is more sheer to medium coverage. I was able to build it up to get more medium coverage, but I love the way that my skin looks. It literally looks like my skin, but better. And basically that's what it said. It says, when makeup meets skincare. And I totally like the primer that I use. I don't even know if it's a primer or not. It just says a glow in balm. And so they had like 4 different ones that can go with this, and I just choose glow. And this, I would say, is more of a natural finish. It's not matte and it's not dewy. It's just very demi matte, skin-like natural finish. So yeah, I totally like this product. It is giving me skin tint vibes. And it does say that it is a bare look tint, so it's gonna give you that no makeup look. And so I thought it was just important to go really easy on the eye. So I'll say I kind of got soft glam vibes going on here. But yeah, so this is exclusive to Sephora, and I was so glad that I was able to pick this up. So yeah, it's definitely giving me Fenty Skin Tint vibes. So maybe I'll do a video comparing the two together, but as it is right now, I definitely like this. And if you're living in the cold, you know, areas where it's about to be winter time, then this may be something that you would like, you know, that you can, that you would enjoy wearing in that cooler weather. But this is gonna be really good. So yeah, that's my first impressions, my demo, and my thoughts on this product. Definitely like it. I'm gonna keep wearing it, so I'll definitely be able to give you guys updates if I didn't like it, if it didn't really wear well. You know, anything that changed, I'll be able to I will let you guys know either in the comments below, or I'll update you in another video. All right, guys, let me know what your thoughts are. Are you going to pick up this new from YSL? Let me know. Again, I'm in the shade number 17, and then I'll be sure to list all the products I use for bronzer, blush, lippy, everything. It's gonna be in the description box down below. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in today's video. If you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. While you're there, turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.